Hello students, welcome to my channel Science No Problem. My name is Tish Kumar Sharma and I am teaching you science. So my dear students, like our previous videos, this video is also going to be very useful and very informative. So please watch the video till end and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel to support and motivate me so as to bring you far more useful and far more informative videos in future as well. So, my dear students, without wasting any time, let's start our today's topic. Actually, my dear students, we were studying in our previous video, we studied how to draw electron dot structures for actually hydrocarbons, such as for alkenes and alkynes. So, in detail, I had actually taken some examples to explain to you how electron dot structures are actually drawn. So, our today's topic is cyclic hydrocarbons. So, my dear students, actually, the hydrocarbons in which carbon actually atoms are arranged in the form of ring are called cyclic hydrocarbons. Once again, the hydrocarbons in which carbon atoms are arranged in the form of ring are called cyclic hydrocarbons. So let me write the definition. The hydrocarbons in which carbon atoms are arranged in the form of ring are called cyclic hydrocarbons. Cyclic hydrocarbons are also actually of two types, that is saturated and unsaturated. So cyclic hydrocarbons cyclic hydrocarbons are also of two types. Cyclic saturated cyclic hydrocarbons and unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons. So cyclic hydrocarbons are also of two types, saturated cyclic hydrocarbons and unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons. So saturated and unsaturated you know very well. Saturated means alkanes and unsaturated means alkene or alkynes. So we will now study actually these cyclic and saturated and unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons one by one. So today we will take saturated cyclic hydrocarbons. So number one is saturated cyclic hydrocarbons. Now is the definition of cyclic saturated cyclic hydrocarbon? Cyclic hydrocarbons in which carbon atoms are connected by single bonds are called saturated cyclic hydrocarbons. So cyclic hydrocarbons in which carbon atoms are connected by single bond are called saturated cyclic hydrocarbons. Saturated cyclic hydrocarbons. So cyclic hydrocarbons, saturated cyclic hydrocarbons in which carbon atoms are connected by single bond are called saturated cyclic hydrocarbons. General formula for cyclic hydrocarbon is general formula CnH2n. So this is similar to the same as general formula for actually alkenes. So this is general formula of saturated cyclic hydrocarbon is CnH2n. And saturated cyclic hydrocarbons are also called cycloalkanes. So these are also called cycloalkanes. Cycloalkanes. And my dear students, the first member of saturated cyclic hydrocarbon or cycloalkanes is propane, cyclopropane. Cyclopropane, one word. So the simplest cycloalkane is cyclopropane. My dear students, this is very important to note, because actually cycloethane or cyclomethane do not exist. The first member of cycloalkane is cyclopropane. So please remember this, because cycloethane, so in cycloethane ring cannot be formed. So first member is cyclopropane with 3 atoms of carbon. So now my dear students, we will write molecular formula, structural formula and electron dot structures for some of actually cycloalkanes. For example, a general formula for cycloalkane is CnH2n. Number of carbon atoms, name, molecular formula. First member is propane, cyclopropane. So N is equal to 3 carbon atoms, cyclopropane. molecular formula C3H 2 3 is 6. Second member is number of carbon atoms 4, cyclobutane. Cyclobutane. C4H8. Then N is equal to 5, cyclopentane. C5H10 and so on. Now my dear students, we will learn to write structural formula and electron dot structure for cyclopropane. So structural formula for of cyclopropane. That is C, C and C. And now complete the valency of carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Now take this atom. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1. Now this atom of carbon. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now attach hydrogen atoms to each of these carbon atoms. So this is cyclopentane. Now electron dot structure for this: carbon, carbon, carbon. One pair, hydrogen, one pair, hydrogen, one pair. Okay, pair I am indicating by cross. Then again one pair of electrons here, this bond, then this bond, this bond, this bond and this bond. So my dear students, this is electron dot structure for cyclopropane. Electron dot structure for cyclopropane, and this is structural formula for cyclopropane. Now we will draw structural formula and electron dot structure for cyclobutane. So molecular formula for cyclobutane is C4H8. This is cyclobutane. Structural formula for cyclobutane: 2, 3, 4. You can now complete valencies of carbon. Let's take this carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take this carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now attach hydrogen atoms to each bond. So my dear students, this is electron dot structure for cyclobutane. Now we will draw this is structural formula of cyclobutane. Now we will draw electron dot structure for cyclobutane. So carbon, 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 carbon. So each bond corresponds to pair of electrons. So please always remember, my dear students, that one bond corresponds to one pair of electron. So let's take this bond. So one pair of electron, this bond, H, this bond, now this bond, H, this bond, H, now this bond, this bond, this bond, this bond, this bond, this bond, and this bond we have already taken. So this is electron dot structure for electron dot structure for cyclobutane. And my dear students, similarly you can draw electron, you can write molecular formula, draw its write structural formula, as well as you can draw electron dot structure for remaining rest of the cyclic actually alkanes. So you should practice, and with practice you will definitely come to draw or write all the things which I have taught you today. So my dear students, this is all for today, and I hope that you understood what I have taught you today. So if there is any doubt, then please see this video once again, and still if you have any doubt, then please write in comment box. So if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep watching our channel, keep learning and keep growing. Good luck.